Hey everyone! Let's walk through the 4 steps of the Strengths in Action, your learning journey activity. This is all about applying what you're learning in the Mastering Your Learning DNA course by RuiEnglish and figuring out how you learn best. Ready? Step 1. Find your strengths. First, think about the skills you genuinely feel good about, the things you can proudly say you're skilled at. Write down 3 skills. Then, explain why you're good at them. Did you work hard at it? Did you have great teachers? Did you just pick it up fast? This step is all about giving yourself credit for what you already do well. Step 2. Break down your strengths. Now, let's look closer at how those skills were built. Write down what you did on your own, like routines, practice schedules, or strategies you created. Write down what others did to help you, like feedback from a friend or encouragement from a mentor. This shows you the important balance between what you put in and the support you got. Step 3. Check your self-teaching. Next, focus on a skill you taught yourself, maybe without a formal class. Think about what motivated you to start. How did you teach yourself? Was it watching videos, reading guides, or just good old trial and error? Finally, evaluate your level. Are you outstanding, excellent, good, average, or maybe poor right now? Give reasons or examples to back up that rating. This helps you realize that you're an amazing learner and your own best teacher. Step 4. Figure out your learning process. This is where you connect all the dots. Look for a pattern. Is there a similar way you succeed in different areas? Think about what influences you, what makes you motivated, why you start, what keeps your determination up, how you keep going, and what sparks your enthusiasm, the energy you feel. The goal here is to ask, how can I use these discoveries to get even better at learning new things? When you finish these 4 steps, you'll have your own personal learning compass. Let's get started.